So I'll check it out off camera, well, off Twitch, like I'm on fucking YouTube recording. No, fuck off, I'll have a stream off Twitch, then upload it that way. If you don't like it, then don't worry about it. It's not my fault. 1, 2, 3, 4. So grab your little white block. 1, 2, 3, 4. Redstone dust there. Come over here. One block. 1, 2. Repeater, dust, and a block up. Then another block up. Yep, like that. Then we come place that there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then block up. Delete that. Don't want anything getting cut off now. 1, 2, 3. Got another 2. Like that. Then we go over 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Dust, dust, dust. This is my first ever, third time recording like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Redstone dust there. On the third one, I think. Delete that. Place that. Oh, it's on the second one, so delete that. Replace that. Like so. Grab my white block. Plant it there. We got 1, 2. Well, you mainly got 2. Because it needs to go over it again like that. Redstone dust there. Blue, 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 redstone torch, redstone dust there. Don't know why these are all on, but don't place it like that. You need it like that, like that. See, I literally don't know why it's all pointing out. So I'm gonna have to look somewhere and fin. How long have I been streaming for? Someone fucking let me know. So I need to get out of this yellow one. Need to get over here. What? We need to come over. So grab this yellow. Now, fucking no. We need to do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, because we need to turn like that. Well, not like that, but you know. That is correct. Then we come over 3. So 1, 2, 3. Place it like that. Redstone block there. Redstone block. 1 there. 1 yellow block. Scrap that redstone block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So place that there. 1, 2, 3 there. Then that there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we had another block there. Redstone dust there. 1 block up. 1, 2, 3. Go 3 blocks up instead. Like this. Go 4 because we're going up again. Like that. Dust, dust, dust. Block like that. So we know what we're doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we go this and this. Delete that. Touch that. Pistons again. I like that one. Like so. Redstone this. Delete this one. Repeat it by there. Grab our green, lime green. So now we go down to this lime green. And we go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So by here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Up 1 and 2, because we need to go up again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up again. And up again. So it goes like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat it by there. Touch there. Up a block again. Jesus Christ. 1, 2, 3. Got 3 blocks. So that's 2 and 3. Because we need to go up there. So like that. And we go over 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we go over up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeated by there. Redstone does this. Go up a block like that. 1, 2, 3. Got 4 blocks, so that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then plant that there. Blue block by here. I don't know why the hell all this is like this, but I'm gonna have to look somewhere. And that's all the clocks, teenies. Fight track to the party, minute. I literally go on my friends list, didn't it? Fucking hell, I'll go on your fucking friends list to add someone to the party, blood. Track to join the party. Somewhere in this local area, I fucked her up. And I do not know where. Let me come over to this place then. So we go. Balstimundo. This local area I need to look for. And this kinda one sticky piston like that. Yes. I think I found it. I think I found it. I think I found it. Indeed. Indeed. So, we get rid of these blocks, yeah? We grab our blue. I'm gonna go with green. So, by here, exactly here. Redstone there, redstone there, redstone there. Ah, shite. Stone there, that there, that there. Do they gonna tick? Indeed they do. So tick there. pretty much just do this. Pretty much just do this. Redstone all this. Bound to place a repeater somewhere. Just do it at the moment. I'll let you know where. Repeater. One tick. Yep. Down by here. So this one, like there, place that there. Let's grab your blue wool. It's this part I didn't do. What the deuce? So grab your blue wool, plant it by here, here, and here, and this, like this. So it goes like repeater, like so. So sneak mode, just plant it by there. So it goes repeater, stone. You were meant to inform him to this one. Okay, now. Hello? 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 Is my mic working? There it is, my mic working? Good, because I'm doing my redstoning on stupid Minecraft, and at the moment I'm fucked up, and it's kind of cost me, and I don't know where. What are you on about? You'll have to download it anyway, so shut the fuck up. Sure. Whatever you say. Like that. So we just grab our torches and plant them here. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yep. But this one should be on, but it fucking ain't.